Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so you all are fine and good, enjoying the good conditions of your health. So dear friends, dear ladies and girls, today in this video you will be exploring most demanding and trending ideas of dresses for ladies and girls. So in this video you will be find out more than 100 plus design ideas of gown style dresses, long gown style dresses for different variants, for mother of the bride dresses, for party wear dresses, for evening gown style dresses, celebrity style dresses. You will be find out different and amazing colors, amazing styles, amazing designs, amazing fabric, amazing stitching ideas of gown dresses. You will be find out amazing neck designs, amazing sleeve designs. You will be find out full sleeve designs, half sleeve designs, sleeveless gown style dresses. So if you are looking for latest collection, latest design ideas of gown style dresses, different and amazing celebrity style dresses, so this video is really going to be helpful and very useful for you. You will get more than 100 plus design ideas of gown style dresses in this video, so must watch video till the end. And don't skip any idea, don't skip any design. Very beautiful designs, very beautiful collection of gown style dresses are coming up next in this video. You will be find out beadwork styles, you will be find out sequin style dresses, patchwork style gown dresses, sleeveless dresses, one shoulder style dresses, pulse work dress design ideas, different and amazing unique ideas you will be exploring in this video. So I hope so you guys gonna love these designs, you are going to love these styles of dresses. I love all these designs and I hope so that you will love these too. So if you are loving these designs, if you are loving these styles of different types of gown style dresses, so please dear ladies, dear girls, please do like my video and please do share my video with your friends, with your relatives, so that new people get new ideas and new designs of gown style dresses for their different variants. You will carry these styles of dresses for your party wears, for your evening wears, as mother of the bride dresses. If you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. I try my best to make my videos according to your opinions, so must share your opinions in the comment section and please press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. After getting the notifications of my videos, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I try my best to make my videos according to your opinions and try my best to make videos on daily basis. If you want to exploring more amazing ideas and more designs related to women fashions, related to trending dress style design ideas, so please do visit on my channel and check the other collection. I have already uploaded a huge collection of dresses on my channel. So you will be find out gown style dresses, maxi dresses, mother of the bride dresses, party wear dresses. Even if you are a working ladies, you will get the idea of your daily use dresses for your working wears, and you will be get the ideas about top designs, blouse designs, shirt designs for your casual wear, for your formal wears, for your daily work wears. You will get the ideas of shoes collections, bags collections on my channel. So a lot of new ideas and new designs you will be exploring in my channel, so must visit on my channel and check the other collection of dresses and get the ideas. I hope so those videos will also be useful and very helpful for you. Don't forget to share your opinions in the comment section about my videos, about my content, about my channel, whatever you want to watch on my channel. Tell me in the comment section. I really tried my best to make videos according to your opinions. And I'm very thankful to you for your kind appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much for your kind support and thank you so much for your positive feedback on my channel. So please keep supporting me, keep sharing my video and keep visiting on my channel for exploring more amazing ideas and for more collection, for more designs. So thank you so much dear ladies and girls for watching my video. Please keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more designs, and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear ladies and girls, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves and goodbye till the next video.